Yeah, what's up, yo? This is the haul from this last weekend. I didn't get as many as like I usually do, but I think I got a few ones, and they're just about my likings. You know what I'm saying? Take a look. This is an Impala 64. This is a nice low rider. What it needs really is just a good set of rubber tires or real riders and some hydraulics. Take a look. Sweet casting. Looks like it's stands the low on the front and a little higher on the back. Unless I'm wrong and like the axles are a little bent, but I doubt it. Still, like I said, it's a great casting with a nice clean interior. And take a look. NSX. I think I have one, so I was gonna leave this one behind. I mean, it is in clean condition, but like I said, I might have it already, so I was gonna leave it, but end up deciding buying a third one, so I had to get a fourth one. Oh man, take a look. This is the 300 Hot Wheels ZX. Now I wonder if this one will fit the new one that just came out, so I could swap and put these metal base, because it came out in the white and it came out on the red. But yeah, man, these metal base on one of the new castings. I don't have one in hand. I know my son has two loose ones, red. I don't know where they at though. But I mean, nevertheless, this purple sparkly, it's nice looking, just as is. It's just a matter of swapping the wheels. But yeah, metal base for 50 cents. Sweet, and it's a JDM, you know what I'm saying? Take a look. This Fiat 500 with the metal base as well, and it's got real riders. That's the one thing I noticed right away. The wheels, that's what catch my attention. Those of you who watch the live stream, you guys noticed as soon as I got to the stand, I was like, oh, take a look at this. And they stood out basically because I do not like this kind of wheels, but in white, you know, they're not regular Hot Wheels wheels, so they have to be the premium. But the casting itself is nice. It's got some nice tampers on the front and tampers on the back. This base would be great for the Super if I had the Super. But anyways, take a look. This is a very muscle looking like 70 Pontiac GTO. This is a Matchbox, but again, man, if you put real riders or rubber tires, and it's just that's what makes the difference. That's what makes your collection stand out. But that's just my opinion. I know it gets expensive, but very nice casting and very muscle like. And the thing about it, man, take a look. GTO, tampers on the back, tampers on the front. Red interior, man. That's just muscle. And I got this Bronco, man, for Mike Tyson in red. It's looking nice with a nice white top. Flames on the sides. Very nice. And it's got a spare on the back. Sweet Bronco. And what else we have? I have a Honda Civic SI. Very nice. Or it just says Honda Civic, but in the hood it just says SI. So not sure if it's a SI or not, but yeah, probably. Cause you got the 2000 SI and then the 2006, but it just says Honda Civic SI as a graphics. And it's got some nice interior. And I think I have one carded. It might have been the same casting, the same exact casting, or a a different color, but JDM nevertheless. And speaking of JDM, man, take a look. I got this Skyline right here, and it's looking great. I think I have it as well, complete, like 100%. Very nice casting, and this one's got minor chips. It's missing the wing. It's a plastic, so it's like from way back, when they had plastic wings. Nowadays they have a metal one piece uh with the chassis, but this is a nice R32 Skyline. And take a look, the Pro Stock S10. Yeah, Chevy S10 Pro Stock, Trentman's AC, and it's just very nice looking, very nice looking truck. And take a look, a Ferrari 348. Take a look, plastic base, man. I mean, it's not that bad. The paint, it's all there. Minor chips on the back, but I mean, considering this is an old casting, and you know, Ferrari holds value over time. But yeah, I mean, I'm not looking for value. It's not bad for 50 cents. And also, I never seen this one, man. This is an Eclipse, also from a McDonald's toys. So I mean, I was debating whether to get the Eclipse or the Ferrari, but in the end I just got them both. But yeah, great piece, man. I always have seen the SI, the one I showed on the previous video, the yellow one. Oh damn, I think that's it. But yeah, that's pretty much the haul. I didn't get many, like I said, but I mean, very nice nevertheless. Nice small haul. I did, however, let me go get it. Give me a second. All right, yeah, I got this one as a wheel donor. Led Zeppelin, Aston minivan, and I'm thinking of putting those wheels on this truck, man. I got these also. I got the real riders on sale, as well as this one. I think it was like 480, and then like 250, and then that's before tax and all that. But yeah, man, these hot trucks, 62 Chevy, just looking great. Might I don't know if the length of the wheels are the same. They're probably not. So I'm gonna have to cut the axles, and like I said on the previous video, use some brass, or we'll see. I mean, stay tuned, cause if I do customize it, it's probably gonna go to Instagram. I know I said this in the previous video. I already created an account, so go ahead and check out the Instagram at srgxix. And also would like, if you guys follow my bro David, because he's been the one giving me tips, and he's been helping me out with the customs. And his Instagram, I'll put it on the description as well. It's David Conde, David Conde 90 at. Whoa, yeah. Let's get to open this thing. I'm trying to do two things at once. Toma, Felipe. ¿Cuál quieres?
Yo quiero este y este y este y este.
¿Y para Agustín cuáles son?
Este.
¿Ese es de Agustín? Ok, los otros tres son para ti, eh? That's it, Agustín. But yeah, man, let's see if we put these wheels. Yeah, right away you can tell they're not gonna fit, so I might have to cut them if I do want to keep these wheels on it.
Hey, Papa.
Okay.
Look, they look like the same.
They are about the same, but these wheels in that truck. If not, I'll go and see if I find something else. But most likely I'm gonna have to clip the wheel. I mean the axle. Hold it Well, you guys will see, man. But yeah, follow me and follow my bro David, and also appreciate if you guys follow Speedy Diecast Garage. He's doing a giveaway at 500 followers. He's close to the goal, but the chances of winning is best if the number of followers is low. He's going at 500 right now, and yeah, hope you guys participate in that giveaway, and also appreciate if you guys follow. I have only one picture, and that's about it for now. Yeah, back at it again, man. So I told you guys about these little custom project that I wanted. I got this 62 Chevy, and I have a wheels donor. Take a look. Now these axles are way too big, so I'm gonna have to use a little bit of this tubing right here, and we'll see how that goes. Um, yeah. And take a look. The goal is to have a ring coming off perfectly. It's even better if it comes with the drill bit, but if you have it out like that, it's a nice drill. It'll come out clean and stuff. But let's see the one on the back. I mean, I'm holding my phone with one hand, so I'm recording with one hand, so I can't really record the process. I'll have to get like a tripod or something. But yeah, I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. So there you guys have it. This is pretty much what I was talking about. I don't know if you guys can see the ring on the drill bit, but yeah, that's pretty much what I was talking about. So take a look, guys. This is the how it's gonna look after I cut the axles and glue. Well, after it's done, this is pretty much how it's gonna look, but I'm not really digging it. I do have, however, the perfect axle. They're just the gold wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a try to show you guys pretty much in gold color. Let's go ahead and do that, and I might even try the ones I put on the Silverado right here, but in the smaller version. This is the size, the big size rim, and that's the small. I'm gonna go ahead and try that on this one actually. The small size are like too slim on the tire. This is just the perfect width, and it's sitting nice, man, as is. But like I said, the axle is the only problem. But damn, for reals, even then, hazte para allá. It's because I don't like how the wheels are sitting two-way inside of the casting, like two inside. So it'll be like the exact same rims as the Silverado I have over here. But take a look, man. I mean, it's not even rolling, I think. Maybe because of the back, it's way too big. There we go. Take a look. But maybe if both were the same size, which I am missing. I was looking for the bigger wheel, but I'm missing one of the big size wheels. I have both of the small ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put them both small. See how that looks. Take a look. There's these ones in addition. It's just gonna need some sort of a spacers. But there you guys have it, man. This is another option. There you go. But it rolls and everything. Let's try the other set. was looking with both of them the same size, small. It is really low to the ground, but I need some sort of spacers for the axles so that wheels are not way too inside. I'm not liking that. But some spacers would be nice. That way they're all like on point, visible, and not like tucked in way too much. But yeah, I'm still. Well, now I'm debating, man, cause these ones look nice, but the ones I wanted was the chrome looking. But I think this is way better. So let me see. Let me tell me in the comments, man. What would you guys like to see this 62 Silverado sitting on? And maybe even the bigger wheels. I just need to find the other bigger wheel, man, cause I think I lost it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing some customs. Stay tuned for more videos. Yeah.